Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to introduce you to NihaoJewelry, your go-to online wholesale platform for jewelry making supplies, fashion jewelry, accessories and clothing. Whether you run a boutique, an online store or just love DIY projects, NihaoJewelry has something for you. They offer over 200,000 items including charms and beads, perfect for jewelry making. Plus, they support drop shipping and have no minimum order requirement, makes it ideal for small business and Shopify sellers. Today I'll show you some amazing products they sent me and a beautiful bracelet I made using their beads. You can find the links to all the products in description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out NihaoJewelry's app and website for more amazing products. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe. See you next time.